So I'd wake up in the morning and I'd have to grab my glasses to see, to the point where I had alarm clock with digits that big, and right next to my bed, just so I could see. And now I wake up and I can see everything. Probably the greatest example of that is my wife and I were traveling east of the mountains, and we had to go south before we went over the mountains, and we're traveling on I-5, and we're cresting the hill coming down off the plateau from Stanwood down in Darlington, going across the Stillaguamish River. And out in the distance, I saw a hot air balloon. And I said, Tanya, my wife, can you see that hot air balloon? And she goes, yes. And you would have never been able to see that before. And when we kept traveling and took Highway 2, and we realized that that hot air balloon was actually in Monroe when I saw it. And that is something I could not have seen just months before.